Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hardik. In the previous video, we have seen how to write the multi-line program using the template returns. In this program, we're going to talk about the destructuring of array and object. Okay, so let us see first how we were used to write the program in ES5, and then we will compare the same thing with ES6. Okay, so let's create one variable called tools. Okay, so tools and array. Now I want to use an I want to add the name of the tools which we as a developer use for the auto deployment of the code. So one of them is that Jenkins. Just second one is AWS code deploy, and another one is my favorite, Bamboo. So let's say I have this an array. Now if I want to let me write the excuse me. So let's see if I want to extract this first and second variable from this array. So ES5 I was used to do stuff like that, tools of 0, and for second let's say I would just do 1. Okay, and of course if I would do the console log, let's see the terminal, and I will just write the node mode index.trace, and of course we are extracting the first two element. Now if I would do the same thing in ES6, let's see how we can do that. So I still have an array of tools. Now instead of just creating two variable like that, I can create, since this is an array, I would say first and another variable, let's say the second, and here I can just, so with this approach what we are doing, so we are creating a two variables same as here, and from there we are extracting the first two element. Okay, so let's see the result again. Okay, and this approach is of course I would say ES6, right? Let's see the result in the terminal. So see, this one is we are getting from first console log, and second one is we are getting from the second console log. So by writing the code in ES6, you can see that we have clearly removed the two lines of code, and by writing this way, also the readability of code is much better than this one. Okay, so that was about the array. We can do the same thing for the objects. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Let me remove this one. So now this time let us create an object. So let's create an object of students. Okay, and let's say student X has a mark code 20, y students got marks of let's say 50, and said student got mark of let's say 69. Okay, now in ES5, if I need to extract the first two properties from this object, then what I was used to write is I can create a variable, let's say X again, and then students of X, right? We'll do the same for student Y, and then I can do set equal to students dot set. All right, and of course I can do console dot log X Y Z. Okay, let's see into the terminal. So we are getting and we are extracting the value from the object. Now the same program if we want to write in ES6, then let's see how we can do that. So ES6, now here you will see, so let us create a variable, and here instead of array this time I will use the object notation, and I would say X, excuse me, Y and Z, and will apply the my object here. and then of course I will write the console log. Okay, so now let's see. Tools is not defined. Oh, it's not a tool, it's a students. Okay, so you see we are getting the both console log. So you will clearly see the difference between the two. In ES5 we have to write the 3 lines of code to extract the property, but here we just need to here we can create the variables on fly and we can extract the value. If we don't need 3, so we can just extract 2 and we can get the 2 results. Okay, so here like that. Okay, so that was that. In the next video we will talk about the arrow function. Thank you so much for watching.